How to do lock camera on target in 3D space in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I created a 3D shape and I'm on the Fusion page. Click on this button to see two viewers. Press Shift plus space, add a camera 3D node, and connect it to Merge 3D node. Select the camera 3D node and press the 1 key on your keyboard to open it in the left viewer. Right-click on the bottom right corner of the viewer and choose Top. Now with camera 3D node selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Transform tab. Increase Translation Z to see the subject. If I change Translation X in the left viewer, you can see that the camera is not in front of the shape anymore. And in the right viewer, the shape is not visible anymore. Check the Use Target checkbox. Now if I change Translation X, you can see how camera rotates toward the shape. And add distance between itself and the shape, so the shape always be visible. We can change other values and the camera is still locked on the shape.